Okay, so when you hear the word grammar, what comes to mind? Probably a bunch of boring rules, right? Well, get ready because we're about to totally flip that idea on its head. It turns out grammar is actually a secret weapon. It's what every great storyteller uses to build mystery, create nail-biting suspense, and make characters that feel, well, that feel totally real.
So let's set the scene. It starts like this. One night, Mia heard a strange noise. Goosebumps already, right? The sound came from her father's laboratory, the one at the very end of the hall. And here's the thing. That door was always locked. She had absolutely no idea what he was creating in there, so what was that sound?
All right, so for this, we're basically going to become literary detectives. Yeah, you heard me. We're going to break down this whole story about Mia and the spooky lab. But we're not just looking for what happens next. Nope, we're digging deeper. We're going to uncover how the writer uses these tiny little grammar tools to make us feel exactly what Mia's feeling, her curiosity and that creeping sense of fear.
You see, these are the questions that hook you, right? They're what pull you through the story. But look at that last one. How does the writer make us feel Mia's fear? That's our bullseye. That's our focus. Because the answer isn't just in the vocabulary. It's hidden in the very bones of the sentences, in the grammar itself. So if you want a story to actually go somewhere, you need an engine. And in storytelling, that engine is a fundamental grammar tool, the past simple tense. Seriously, just think of it like that. It's the motor that drives the plot forward, pushing it from one event to the very next. And here's the key thing to remember about the past simple. It's all about actions that are done, finished, completed. A happened, then B happened, then C happened. It's this simple, clean progression that forms the chronological backbone of pretty much every story you've ever read.
Just look at these examples. See how clean and direct this is? Mia approached the door. She heard a noise. The noise scared her. Each one of those verbs, it's like a solid stepping stone moving us forward in the plot. No confusion, no ambiguity. These are just the cold, hard facts of the story laid out one after the other.
But a good story isn't just a list of things that happened, is it? Of course not. To get that real, edge-of-your-seat suspense, you have to build an atmosphere. You've got to paint a picture of the scene, get inside the character's head, and that, my friends, is where other grammar tools start to play a huge role.
And this comparison just nails it, doesn't it? Look at the left. Mia approached. That's a completed action, that's pure plot. But on the right, what was he creating? See the difference? That's an ongoing action, a question hanging in the air while Mia's walking down the hall. This is what creates the whole vibe, the mood. It's not about what happened, it's about what was happening.